Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today we are unboxing S19 Pro, what we call a smart bed type. Previously we unboxed the S19, but if you haven't watched, you can just click on the link above and you first watch S19. So this is S19 smart bed S19 Pro with more features. So we are going to do unboxing and review of this watch. We say the best it can offer for someone who is starting up with a smartphone. So let's unbox this one, then we go ahead and we review it. So I've already cut this seal, but this is it, as you can see. So this watch comes in different colors. It comes in this color, also white and black, but for ladies you can go ahead with this one, or white, but men always like black. Yeah, so this watch, before we go ahead and check what is in the box, it comes in a capacity of 500 million amperes, the battery size. Then the resolution is 280 to 320. Yeah, that is the resolution of the screen, and it comes with a strap of silicone gear. Yeah, this is the silicone. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check what we have in the box. So this is the smart hand manual guide. You can go ahead and check it. This is the watch. This is the charger. It doesn't use the wireless charging. The charger, it's the old type. This is the old type. It uses this type. Then to check on the strap, this is the strap. This is the silicone. The silicone is good, it doesn't break, or unless you cut it, but it's good. It's good. It's soft. Yeah, it's soft. Yeah, so guys, this is what comes in the box. This is what comes in the box. As you can see, this is it. We have the strap, also the charger, and the watch itself. Yeah, so you can go ahead if you're interested in changing the strap. You can buy a different one in another color or black. They sell them also. You can fit them. You can fit them by yourself, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, you can fit them by yourself. Yeah. Then let's go ahead and we switch it on. We check its features as well. So this is to talk on the design as it's going on. To talk on design, it comes with a 1.75 screen display, which is full screen, not like the other S19. The S19, the screen is not full, it's only half of it. Yeah, and this is the heartbeat sensors. These are the sensors. Then you can change by yourself these strips like this. You have to be careful because it's too sharp. It can cut your strap, so you have to be careful as you're fixing the straps. Then in most cases we always face a challenge where when you buy this watch, the power is not always, it comes when the power is totally off. So you can charge it by yourself first before you switch it on. As this one, I'll try to switch it on, but it's not coming. So what you need to do, you have to charge it first After charging it, then you can go ahead and switch it on. Yeah, so here we have the mouthpiece. You can go ahead when you're talking. This is the mouthpiece. Then on this one is the power button, or you can use it as back button when it's on. Then on this side we have the speaker. Yeah, this is the speaker, the one you can use while you're recording or making calls or playing music. So let's go ahead, let's first charge it, then we can go ahead and switch it on. We check the features. So guys, now I have charged this watch. Now we can go ahead and we do a review. Yeah, so let's switch it on, then we continue with the review. So charging it doesn't take also a lot of time. It just charges very fast. Yeah, so now to talk on this design, as we have already talked about, its inbuilt features like a speaker and mouth and the other volume button. So you can use this volume button here to, this is volume, or you can use it power button, or you can call it back button or home screen button. So once you rotate it like this, it will change the screen like this. You can use it to shift or use different watch faces. Then once you scroll down here on the screen, you go into the phone applications, or what we call apps. You can use this phone to control your phone camera. As you can see, you can connect your phone, then you control it. Then also you can use this one to set the alarm, or to do other things, or to schedule your exercises or other stuff, or your job time. Then it has also this contacts. You can use it to access your contacts. You can use it to see your WhatsApp messages. It has also many features. You see messages for the phone. You can use it to reply also other people. Yeah, it has very many features. Yeah, as you can see. So here specifically, what is the purpose of this watch? These watches, they are smartwatches. They are mainly for exercises. Yeah, for exercises. So once without the phone or connected to the phone, you can use it to do exercise. It will give you the timings, or you can set your targets for the exercises. Yeah, also it can show you the calories, like that. Yeah, so guys, let's check its comfortability. So this color is mostly for ladies, but you can go ahead and buy other colors which you like. As you can see, so you can switch on the on display like that, or you can scroll down to access. Also it has these other features like this, so like that. Yeah, you can go into the settings and do other things from there. Yeah, so guys, this is the watch, which is, so you can make calls from here. Also you can go into, you can scroll down, you look into the dial pad, then you go into the calls, you call your friend, or you can go into the music. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying a smartwatch, this can work for you, which is below $100. So if you want a good budget for a smartwatch, you can buy this one. But if you're interested in more features and advanced watch, you have to go for this Samsung Active, or what we call Apple series, if you are someone who is a Apple or iPhone user, you can go for iPhone series. And if you want to advance more, you can look for Samsung Active 4 or Active 3, yeah, or Watch 3. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this. Let me catch you in the next one.